हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको फिक्स्ड प्रीपोजिशन के बारे में बताएंगे। एट फॉर टाइम, प्लेस, स्मॉल टाउन्स एंड विलेजेस। एट 10 o'clock, एट आवर रेसिडेंस, एट मोरसन, इन 4 countries, big towns and cities, months and years. In Japan, in Delhi, in March, in 1980, in, at, and on, for people and things at rest. He is in bed. Is your brother at home? Do not sit on the table. For to and into, for people and things in motion. The girl ran to her mother. Do not go into that room. To, for direction, place. Use I am going to Agra. He went to theater. Upon indicates motion. You cannot climb upon that high roof. Next, on for support, being attached to, covering, contact, to indicate the days and dates. Example: a carpet on the floor, picture on the wall on Monday on 15 August. Of for indicating separation in space or time. Example: 2 kilometers south of London, within a yard of the station, within a year of his death. Of indication origin, authority. Example: man of humble origin, the decision of the committee. Of for indicating cause, die of hunger. 9. OFF of for indicating distance in space and time, departure, removal. Example: the town is 5 miles off. He is off to Bombay. Why do not you have that long beard off? TILL till for time. I waited till 5 o'clock. With for instrument. We see with our eyes. The voice was beaten with a stick. With for showing relationship. I live with my parents. Or accompaniment. He discussed the problem with his friend. With for showing care, possession. Leave the child with its parents. With for showing agreement. I have no money with me. I agree with you. By for agent, nearness, time, means of travel. John was published by his father. My house is by river. Can you finish the work by tomorrow? I went to Delhi by train. From for point of time, place, source, difference, removal. Tomorrow they come from Bombay. This is a quotation from Shakespeare. He is different from others. When were you released from prison? For indicates a particular period of time and possession. I lived in Chennai for 5 years. This letter is for you. You must finish the work before 5 o'clock. Behind, for back. The dog ran behind him. Between involved 2 person or things. The train runs between Mumbai and Delhi. Among involves more than 2. There is no unity among the leaders, since for some point of time he has been absent since last week. beside, 4 by the side of. The child sat beside its mother. Beside, 4 in addition to. Beside the student, their parents were also present. Thanks, best of luck.